Good morning and welcome back to the Mining Cabinet. It is Saturday, November 25th. I hope you're recovering from your tryptophan coma. If you celebrated Thanksgiving, ate too much turkey, cake, pie, green bean casserole, dressing, which is not stuffing, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, whatever you had. I hope it was good. Hope you got to spend it with family. We did over here. I'm just now recovering. So what are we looking at? We are looking at my ETCMC node. I just installed two of them yesterday and did not film it, so I need to be fired. What is ETCMC? Oops, let me go back. So the website is etcmc.org. It is for the Ethereum Classic Network. Run a node, confirm transactions, get paid. Right now, it's very profitable. You can go to the ETCMC store. You can buy like a pre-made node, a plug-and-play node. As you can see, they're sold out, $430. But what I did, I saw this on several other YouTubers. I know Rabid Mining, I think Swan Crypto Castle, maybe a couple of others. What I did is went online and bought an old used mini desktop, one of these little tiny HP EliteDesks like this. Very small format. The minimum specs on the digital download or running a node, which I did the digital download, it's $249. You have to pay with ETCMC. We'll get into that. How to use MetaMask and Heap Swap to swap ETC into ETC PAL, which is what the ETCMC ecosystem runs on, is the ETC POW token. Then you have to go to, there it is. So minimum system requirements has to be Windows 10 or 11. 4 cores, 4 threads, which the ones I bought, these EliteDesk, the i5 6500 is 4 cores, 4 threads. I'm not running a full node. I'm just running the quick node. So it says you can get by, I think, with 256. 256 gigs if you run a quick node or fast node. If you run the full node, you need a gigabyte. The two I already bought are G3s, and they have an SSD and they have an NVMe slot, which I believe these do too. So all I'm gonna do is put 1 terabyte NVMe's inside. I think I said gigabyte a minute ago. One terabyte, and load the software on the NVMe, and then won't have to worry about it because I've got a couple of 1 terabyte NVMe's laying around. So let's go over and look at it. So like I said, I've got 2 running. I've got number 1, and these haven't even been running for 24 hours yet. It did take a little bit of work to get these going. On mine, I had an error where it wouldn't start up. Got on the Discord. There's like a known issue with the Windows Defender update. So I applied the patch. Then it wouldn't sync. You'll see when you get in there, it'll say like it's looking for peers. I kept getting 0 peers. Had to add rules into the Windows firewall on these mini nodes, and then add a port forwarding on my cable modem. So, but once I got that done, it took them a couple hours to sync up, and I had to do that on both. Since I'm running 2 of them, they can't be on the same port, so I have to go and customize the port number on the second node, third node, etc. I've already ordered 2 more of those mini PCs. I'm gonna get 2 more of these nodes. But like I said, it hasn't even been 24 hours. This one's made almost 8. This one's just a little bit behind because it took me a little bit longer to get this one running. But let's just say it's 16 ETC POW in less than 24 hours. So if we go, I already got the calculator open. So if we go to 16, it's made $29 in like, I would say 20, that's not even 20 hours, probably 16 hours, 18 hours. I think they finally got up and running somewhere around 2 or 3 yesterday afternoon. You can see it's 9:20. So I think this is very profitable. Obviously, as more people get on this, I'm sure the profits will drop. But if we look at the 30-day chart, ETC POW 30 days ago was 52 cents, and it peaked at $1.83. So that's over a 300% increase. So if the price action keeps going, it's going to be very profitable. Trying to get this up and running before this drops, because I'm sure you can already see it's dropping again. Is that just a retrenchment after a bunch of people cashed in, or is it going back down? Hopefully, a bunch of people have cashed in. Now sitting back on it, wait for it to go back up. So this has been a quick video. I will do a video probably next weekend when I get these 2 node boxes and install 2 more nodes, and actually do a how-to on how to go through and download the digital license and set up a node and customize the port number, reconfigure or add rules to the Windows firewall, and then add a port forwarding on my Xfinity gateway, which unfortunately I've got to go take to the store right now excuse me, and swap out because it seems to keep disconnecting randomly. I thought maybe it was just Wi-Fi. There's something going on with my Wi-Fi or devices, because they would disconnect and come right back on. But I opened up a command. Actually, I still have it open. I opened up a command prompt and started pinging. I think Google. I don't know what that IP6 address is. Let's see if it shows up in here. So you can see I have like all these like 20, 30 millisecond ping times, but every now and then, and who knows where it is, every now and then you'll see one where the request timed out, or there it was, request timed out, and then also every now and then there'll be like an 80, a 100 millisecond, a 500 millisecond, and there's another one, and I have a Google Nest Wi-Fi, I guess, hotspot to put in the garage. And it kept sending me updates that it was disconnected. And I thought, well, I bought it, Amazon renewed. I was like, well, this one's bad. I was going to send it back. But when I started doing this, I realized if I got the notification on my phone that the Wi-Fi on the Nest had disconnected, and went in here and looked at some time right in that time frame, scrolling back up through the history of the pings, is when I would get a request timed out, which made me believe I think the whole cable modem is disconnecting and coming back up. Usually I can see, it's crazy. There'll be somewhere the request didn't time out, but it's a couple hundred milliseconds. So, but anyway, I've got to do that, and I need to take a screenshot of all my DHCP static IP addresses, because I set those up in my router instead of setting every miner. I just found that it's easier that way. If I reset a miner, it'll always get the same IP address. So I'm gonna do that real quick and take my modem to the store when I open at 10 o'clock, get a new one, and then probably be here cussing and trying to figure out why none of my stuff works anymore, because I didn't remember everything that I've done custom on the modem. So wish me luck. Thank you for tuning in. Again, happy Thanksgiving. And I'm very thankful for everybody that's watched this so far. If you have, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, make a comment, and stay tuned for more videos from the mining cabinet.